As you round the curve on Highway 49, the valley opens up to a beautiful meadow where wildflowers bloom and wildlife abounds. You have finally arrived at Big Creek RV Park, nestled in the St. Francis Mountains in the heart of southern Missouri's outdoor playground. You'll be greeted by our historic barn and its eager inhabitants. They are always awaiting the affection and attention that our guests love to show them. When we purchased Big Creek RV Park, we purchased a campground with history. We purchased a clientele that already came to Big Creek, and they were repeat customers already. They love this place for reasons that they love this place. And for the same reasons we wanted to buy it, and we love it. And so we are very grateful for our returning guests that have been coming here for many years, long before we owned Big Creek RV Park. And we are very grateful for our current guests who are first timers. We regularly have just a whole slate of people that are first time coming to Big Creek RV Park this weekend. And we're so grateful that they found us. We don't even always know how they came across, whether on a website or Facebook or a friend's recommendation, but we're thankful for every guest who comes through our driveway. We're thankful for every family who sets up and trusts us to provide them with a good product, that they're going to have a great weekend. They're going to have the amenities that matter most to them. They're going to have fun. They're going to be safe. And we're thankful, we're grateful that they trust us to provide that.
Because this is our home. You know, it's more than just a campground, it's where we live. And so when people come, it's like they come into our backyard and we're hosting them, you know.
It means a lot. Laura and I were not in this industry when we took on this endeavor. We have a lot of learning to do. It's a big learning curve to step into RV park ownership. But for us, it's been a learning process, but it's been an easy process because our guests have been very, I don't know if I'd say patient. I guess our guests have been very gracious to us to understand that, you know, we love camping, but we never did this before. We never owned this before.
It's really an amazing place to be and to live. And I just love everything about it. I've never worked physically as hard as in my life since we've moved here, but I enjoy every moment of it. When I go to bed at night, I know I'm alive. And when I wake up in the morning, I know I'm alive. And there's a lot of challenges that comes with owning business. That's all new to us. But you learn to push through them. You learn to grow through them.
So we have some things we need to figure out. And sometimes we have to bend the rules to accommodate something, or we have to put in a rule because there was a blind spot that left us open to trouble. So all in all, our guests are what makes Big Creek RV Park. I mean, without campers, without our guests, we're just on the farm. We're not camping on the farm. And we're just homeless, living in an RV on the farm. We're grateful that there is up to 60 families that come and stay with our family on the weekend. And we look forward to every one of them every single Friday, or whatever day they come. We like it even better when they come on Wednesday or Thursday, because that rush hour check-in is kind of, a little bit hectic.